Be the quickest game you ever played if you shoot that.
I'm not shooting.
Yeah. The team's pretty much lined up. We're waiting for your call. Yeah, I think you guys are ready.
So, you want to go to Jericho or no?
Jericho.
Jericho?
Yeah. We can do what kind of gun
Hey, where you? Get down, get down, get down. Yeah. Hey, Ammo Depot! Hey, we're yellow! Oh, okay.
The blue.
No, the guy in Jericho who just got out.
Oh, crap. I wish we could get this.
Here, right there. Here. You keep fire that way.
Wait.
On Ammo Depot there.
Doesn't matter.
Unless they move. I think they did. Right here.
There's a barrel.
Don't shoot it. Gunshots don't count. Let him. Right there. You're hit on your mask. I hit him. I saw it explode on your head. Get down. Here they come. I saw it explode on his head. Get low.
They're inside Jericho.
Yeah, 10 corners. Oh, right there.
What?
What would be smart to throw something?
You're hit!
They're back in the ammo depot.
Watch out!
Huh?
God, we're getting killed. Okay.
Things out.
Get low.
I hope you get that.
You gotta be careful because the paintballs will come right through here. He's moving left! Alright, we got to move left. They're moving left! Go in and cut them off! It goes down.
Where's it coming from?
A little ways. That's for sure. Okay. He's right down there. Hit! Hit! Hit!